What is feature engineering? Feature engineering is an important step in building a machine learning model. It helps the model make better predictions. Good features show hidden patterns in the data. This helps the model learn better. Some common ways to do feature engineering are creating interaction terms. This means combining two or more features to find new relationships. Encoding categorical variables. This changes categories into numbers so the model can use them. Making polynomial features. This helps the model find nonlinear connections in the data. By using these techniques, we can improve how well the model works. Feature engineering is very important for building strong models. It helps the model find important patterns in the data. One key part of feature engineering is feature transformation. Feature transformation means changing features to a new form. This makes the data easier for the model to understand. Examples of feature transformation include scaling features to a common range so no feature has too much influence, normalizing data to have a standard format, applying mathematical changes like taking logs or roots to reduce extreme values. By transforming features well, models can learn faster and perform better. In the next videos, we will study how to handle text and categorical data in machine learning, common encoding techniques, which change categories into numbers for models. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next videos.